so today we have IPSY and Boxycharm unboxing. That's why you are here. So I'm going to start with IPSY. Oh, the bag is cute. Here's what the bag looks like. I've only seen like thumbnails of the bags and stuff. So first we have a brush. I think that's probably one of my most favorite things to get is a brush from any of these things. So this is for, it's like something glam, but it has these two little rhinestones on the handle. That is so cute, and I kind of want to look this up. I like that it's in this kind of packaging. I'm going to quickly open it. From IPSY, the first thing we got. Really, really soft, but it's already shedding. But maybe that's because it's like handmade or something. It's like already shedding a little bit. So it's really cute. It's super cute. I'm gonna spritz this brush with some rubbing alcohol before, so that when we are done, it's ready to use. Okay, so I'm gonna open the bag. And the first thing I'm pulling out is a nail polish. Pretty Woman nail polish. Tagged your Manny. It's a cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan. Nice. I've been wanting to get a nail polish. Ooh, it's a really pretty purple. It doesn't have a name of the polish on here. I think it does. It's Electric Love. Super, super pretty. What kind of brush is on here? Nice big fat brush. So far so good. So far so good. Let's see. It smells just like nail polish. So I am actually really excited. It looks like a sheer nail polish. So that doesn't really steer me away. But not his animals really gets me really happy. So that is that. We have, a Lord & Berry. I love Lord & Berry. Crayon lipstick in the color Spicy. It's kind of like a cream matte finish. It's maxi matte, so, but it's still cream. Like it doesn't dry out. It doesn't look like. So I'm excited about that. Really, really excited. Another cruelty-free thing. So excited. It's an eyeshadow from Nomad, I believe. It's the name of the brand. Sometimes people just come up with names on brands, and you're just like, how, maybe you need to put a disclaimer on how to say it on your website or something like that. Because sometimes this eyeshadow is in really nice packaging. And it looks like a tiny, tiny, like little mini compact. It's kind of dusty, so I'm wiping it off. Ooh, it's a really pretty blue in the shade Elmar. Let's swatch it. Ooh, powdery, nice, and ooh, it's really nice. So that will be exciting to play with. So far, so good. And the last thing we have, it's the last thing. And then we have our card. Theme of the bag. Oh, this is a perfume. I don't think I've gotten too many perfumes in bags. Maybe that's just my style code thing. It doesn't smell bad. It's really nice. It doesn't really have notes or anything on it. For like Kinsey. Maybe it's inside this little thing. Become a big fan, free gift. So here's your coupon. IPSY customer only, limited time offer. It literally is just this coupon right here. So I'm not really sure how do you use that, but we'll figure it out. So that is what we got in here. We got the perfume. We have the blue eyeshadow, the really nice lip crayon, a brush, and a really pretty nail polish. So let's just jump into Boxycharm real quick. Open it right up, and Boxy Bash. Okay, so firstly we have a whole bunch of brushes, and I'm glad I got that first. So we have a face brush. I'm gonna open it and spray it with alcohol. Brow brushes. So it has angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, a fine tapered eyeliner brush, but it doesn't really say Oh, it has this one too, and it has with synthetic fibers that allow maximum control for a PT. Here's the brand. I'm not really sure exactly how to say that. Aesthetic. I'm not sure. That's just me. I'm back. So I'm gonna just sanitize the big brush because and then there is a matte lip gloss it's just a Boxycharm Beauty Creations collab with Boxycharm, I guess. Beauty Creations lip gloss. Beauty Creations matte lip gloss matte liquid lip gloss is specifically formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless finish, smooth and matte finish, lightweight. So it's Longwear matte lip gloss in the shade Sweetheart. I think I like this tone. It smells really nice. So that is the lip gloss. It smells like candy, kind of like a cherry lip gloss that we used to get back in the day. This is a blur primer that is from Cover FX, which I'm like super stoked about. Blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines, and creates a super smooth, flawless, airbrushed look. So that is that. And a Pretty Vulgar black gel liner. It looks like it's in like one of those ink dip pots. And it's just like, I thought it was gonna come out, but it's like a cream gel liner from Pretty Vulgar. Highly pigmented gel liner that provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy, water resistant formula allows for a smooth application that stays in place all day. We will see. So far, the last thing we have is like a palette from Pure Sculpt palette. It's really pretty cute textured packaging. Oh, it's sealed. How sanitary. Sometimes doing these unboxings is like creates so much garbage, like so much trash. This is so dark. What is the shade for it? Okay, I just want you to look at my skin tone. Just check it out. And I'm going to show you this palette, okay? Salsa Dark City. I'm going to dip a brush into it so that maybe if I give this away, I don't have to have my phalanges in it. It's I'm just going to dip into it and show you. So these are really too dark. I'm not going to use this today. Maybe I can try the highlighters, but we'll see. I'm not really sure I'm going to play with this today. So let's just kind of jump into it. I'm going to go ahead and apply the FX blurring primer. See what it looks like. I'm really excited about this. It's kind of disappointing because I love Pure Cosmetics because they are cruelty free and it's amazing, but every time I get something I'm just not blown away by the products. Am I just being too harsh? What is it? So we'll see. For like my foundation, I just put on the IT Cosmetics CC Illumination color correcting illuminating full coverage cream in the SPF 15. So in the SPF 50. So I like that. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with because I don't want to add like any more. I'm gonna have to use this anyway. I'm just gonna take my Tarte palette and I'm gonna use my Milani eyeshadow primer. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte palette and I'm gonna set my eyes with the enhanced shade that's in this palette. just a little bit like in the crease. I don't have any creasing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take, all right, and I'm also gonna take this angle shade right here and kind of blend that into the crease before I add that blue shadow, because I really need some like transition, something to make things look less crazy, like I'm not wearing just straight blue shadow. Alright, I'm going to take this super cute brush that we got and this blue shadow and place this on the lid. After I do these videos, then I will go back and see what other people got. Because then I'm like, oh yeah, I really liked mine. Sorry, theirs was not so good. And sometimes like, oh, I wish I would have got that. So it's so interesting. And to be fair, I don't go and review my IPSY bags. I don't even care. I just get it because it's fun. I like the surprise. I don't even like, you know, I mean, if I want to get something, I'll just get it. And that's why I like the surprise, because then I can get to watch, to try things that I probably wouldn't necessarily go out and buy. That's why it's just fine to me to not review them. Take this brush, dust it off on my trusty washcloth, and then just kind of blur the edges into the crease a little bit, because I think that when we put some like inner corner action going on, I think we'll be okay. So for the inner corner, since I didn't really get anything like that in the bags or anything, I got the highlight palette, but I'm just gonna, I already know I'm gonna give that away, so I just don't, and I already know who I'm gonna give it to, so I just don't want to like ruin that. So I'm just gonna take my Mary Luminizer and just kind of place this here and blend it into the lid and stuff like that. And then we can conceal and powder. First, I'm really excited to try that Pretty Vulgar liner, tell you that much. So in the brush set, after I said I probably wasn't going to use them because I didn't know I was getting this liner, there is a angled one. The angled one is not super thin, but this pointed one, so I'm gonna try the pointed one, but I'm a little bit skeptical because I'm actually not really great at gel or cream liner, so we'll see. You know what? I lied. I think I can see myself using this. It's actually not that hard. And it seems like it has a lot of product. I wonder how much it actually has in it. Doesn't exactly say. Let's see, maybe the product says it. 0.2 ounces, 6 grams. So, pretty good amount, I guess. Just realized that there's going to be 2 blue eyeshadow looks back to back, and that's funny, they are really pretty similar. Well, what are the chances, huh? Alright, so this liner, I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how good I actually did. I'm actually so intrigued to try this some more and maybe experiment with different brushes that I own. So for this so far, it's pretty much a 10 to me. I'm like, it went on better than like my traditional Wet n Wild Pro line. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised and very happy. So let's just kind of move on, shall we? I'm going to use this brush that came with it. I'm going to contour a bit, maybe just kind of warm up the cheeks. I'm going to take Princess Cut and Angle and dip into these. I use this palette so much. I just love it. I mean, it's just one of those things that every time I use it, I'm just like, yep. I like to mix stuff, and I like this brush. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal. I'm just trying to finish up this YSL 2C Claw. It's not exactly my most favorite, but I did get it in one of those Sephora little basket, like, favorite kind of things that you get at the holidays, and I don't know. I don't know if I'd ever repurchase it. First of all, it's not cruelty free. Second of all, it's really expensive. And third of all, it doesn't have very much coverage. First of all, but also it's not exactly supposed to have mega coverage. I'm just going to take the Balm Instinct blush in the color Argyle. And I'm just going to take it on one of my e.l.f. blush brushes. Oldie but goodie. You know what's funny? I'm going to the gym later tonight and I'm wearing this to the gym. I don't have any mascara on yet. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my Essence Get Big Lashes real quick. And then we will apply some liquid lips. Alright, so I applied my mascara and then I also applied my Almay Makeup Jelly Highlight. I know it's not cruelty free, but I did buy it and I really still love it. So that's just me. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the liquid lip and we will see how I like it. I'm really much a stickler for liquid lips, so stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get a mirror real close. Okay, one thing I will note about this liquid lip is it has a really great scent, but I think it's trying to cover up a chemical smell because I can also smell that and taste it. Yep, I can taste it. It's like a plasticky, doesn't taste very good. And so far, let's see. It's really sticky right now, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure if I will wear it. I will most likely love this a lot better than that. I probably should have put that on just because I'm just a stickler. I'm going to go ahead and set with All Nighter. And so let's do a quick recap. So all the brushes, I will definitely use these again. They're really, really great. Ain't got no problems with those. The FX primer, I really have to see if it's cruelty free because that will determine whether or not we see in videos. But personally, I probably will end up using it again. The Benefit Professional is cruelty free, so I mean, that's that. I will definitely use this liner again. Love it so much. This palette did not get used. It's incredibly dark, so it will be going to a different home. This shadow is quite funny because it quite reminds me of the Urban Decay Beached palette, but it's kind of like in between. Can you see that? So interesting. We got two blues. I like it a lot. It has glitter on my eyes because I used my Makeup Jelly. Makeup Jelly. And then the nail polish, I will definitely keep this. I love it so much. I'm so excited to put it on my nails, my toes, wherever I want. The perfume, I love it so much. Every time I smell it, I'm like, yes, I love it. And then the Lord and Berry lip thing. I've actually already had one of these and I really, really liked it. So I'm super excited about this. So did I miss something? Did I miss something? Brushes I already talked about. Really like them. I don't think I missed anything. So, if you guys did like this video and it was fun to watch, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you guys get IPSY or Boxycharm to see. Like, I know Boxycharm is like all the same, I believe. Maybe sometimes things differ, but I believe for the most part it's all the same. So, but I know IPSY is quite different, so I probably will go and check out some videos of that. But other than that, I think that's all I have to share with you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!